Over 35 million Europeans are unable to keep their homes warm this winter. That's the equivalent of the entire populations of Greece, Portugal, Hungary and Ireland combined, having to decide between heating their homes and putting food on the table. The two root causes of energy poverty are low incomes and living in buildings with low energy efficiency. Soaring fuel prices in Europe in recent months and the ongoing pandemic have exacerbated the problem, making it even harder for people to pay their bills. The right to access essential services like energy is enshrined in the European Pillar of Social Rights, a guide towards stronger social rights in Europe. The EU has outlined measures it suggests countries put in place to keep fuel prices low, including emergency income support and tax reductions.